Now, I want to tell you about something beautiful about denim craft, and I want to tell you a story about denim. There was once a pair of old jeans sitting quietly in the back of a closet. Nobody more wore them anymore. The color had faded, the fabric had become soft with age, and one small part was slightly damaged. Every time the closet was cleaned, the jeans were moved from one corner to another. Maybe it's time to throw them away. Sometimes thought, someone thought, but somehow they were never thrown away. One quiet afternoon, while looking through the closet, those old jeans were found again. And this time, instead of seeing something useless, there was a different thought. What if these jeans could become something beautiful? And that one little question was enough to give them a second chance. So today we are going to take old denim that might otherwise become waste and transform it into something creative, useful and beautiful. But this craft is about more than denim. It is also about slowing down, about taking a breath, about giving your mind peaceful place to rest. And perhaps most importantly, about remembering that beautiful things do not always have to begin perfectly. Let's chat. Take your old denim and place it gently and on your workspace. Before cutting, take a moment to look at the fabric. Notice its texture, notice the different shades of blue, notice the little marks that show it has already lived a life. There is something beautiful about that. New fabric may be the perfect, but old fabric has a story. And now we are about to give that story another chapter. Start by cutting the denim into useful pieces. You can keep the pockets, seams, and interesting sections. Don't worry if every piece is not exactly the same. Sometimes the most beautiful handmade design comes from imperfect pieces. As you cut, try not to rush. Crafting can become a small mindful moment in a busy day. Instead of thinking about everything you need to do later, focus on what your hands are doing right now. Feel the fabric, look at the shape of you are creating. Pay attention to each small steps. This simple attention to the present moment is one reason many people find creative activities calming. When our attention is focused on a simple task, we can give ourselves a break from constantly jumping between different thoughts. It doesn't mean every worry disappears, it simply gives the mind a quieter moment. And sometimes a quiet moment is exactly what we need. Now let's begin arranging our denim pieces. Try one shape, move it. Try another, maybe place a darker piece beside a lighter one. Perhaps create a flower, a pocket design, a heart, or an abstract pattern. There is no single correct answer. Your imagination is allowed to lead, and if you make a mistake, that's okay. Move the piece. Try again. This is one of the wonderful lessons of crafting. You can change your mind, you can start again, you can turn a mistake into part of the design, and life can be like that too. Sometimes we look at something that did not go according to plan and immediately call it a failure. But maybe it's simply an unfinished design. Maybe there is another way forward. Maybe the next small step will change everything. Now let's start joining our pieces. Slowly the separate piece begin becoming one. There is where the old jeans start to look completely different. What once looked like waste is becoming something with purpose. And while we work, let's think about how creativity can support healthy mindfulness. Crafting gives us something concrete to focus on. Instead of only thinking we are doing, we are observing, we are choosing, we are creating, and that combination can encourage us to stay connected to the present moment. Even a few moments of peaceful creativity activity can become a lovely break from a busy routine. You don't need to make a masterpiece. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need even expensive supplies. Sometimes an old pair of jeans and a little imaginations are enough. Now let's add some details, maybe a few buttons, maybe some leftover ribbon, perhaps a new little lace or a few decorative pieces. Use whatever you already have. This is where recycling becomes especially exciting. Instead of buying something new, we are giving an old materials and the purpose. A pocket that has once used for carrying small things can now become part of the decoration. A small denim strips can become a flower, a leftover scraps can become a border. Sometimes they seem too small to matter can become the details that makes the whole project special. And is not that a beautiful thought? Small things matter. A small idea matters. A small act of kind matters. A few minutes of rest matter. One small positive habit can become part of much bigger change. So don't we underestimate all the little things you do today. Now take another look at your project. Perhaps it doesn't look perfect yet. That's completely fine. Handmade work has its own character. The tiny difference can make it yours, and there is something very peaceful about creating without demanding perfection from yourself. You can simply enjoy the process. There is another healthy side of mindfulness crafting. It can encourage patience and give you an opportunity to practice focusing on the process rather than only waiting for the final result. You don't have to finish everything immediately. You can enjoy one step at a time. Cut, one stitch, one direction, one little improvement, and slowly the project grows. Now imagine those old jeans back in the closet. They were waiting for someone to see their potential, and perhaps that is why little denim projects feel like more than recycling. It is the story about second chances. The jeans were not useless, they simply needed a new purpose. And sometimes people need that reminder too. A difficult day does not mean every day will be difficult. A mistake does not mean you cannot learn. A slow beginning does not mean you won't make progress. And being perfect does not make something worthless. So while you continue crafting, take a slow breath, relax your shoulders, look at your hands, notice what you are creating for the first moment. For this moment, you don't have to solve everything. You only have to make the next small step. Now let's add the final touches. Check the edges, trim and unnecessary pieces carefully, secure decoration, take your time, and then look at it. The old denim has changed, the faded jeans were almost forgotten have become something completely new, and the best part is the creation doesn't need to be expensive to be special. It carries something that a factory made object completely reproduce. Your time, your creativity, your patience, your choice, your story. That is what you make handmade crafts so meaningful. So thank you, be a part of this journey. Keep creating, keep learning, keep giving old things into new life. The most importantly, give yourself the same patience and kindness that you give to your creations, because every beautiful transformation begins with one small design, one small